Hey guys, it is Wednesday here in West Virginia, and we're doing things a little bit backwards today. I just got this truck in this morning, and I would have done it for our truck in Tuesday, but I didn't have it in hand, so we went ahead and did something a little bit different. We did the unboxing and wheel swap on the CUDA. That didn't go so well. It looks good, but it just doesn't move so well. But anyways, what we're doing today is a fantastic collaboration of Oreillys and M2 with their Macho Power Wagon this year. Last year it was the I think a 78 Adventurer step-side, which was really cool, in the green with some chrome 5-slot rally wheels, and it was on a standard 2-wheel drive chassis and standard ride height. And this year they did the Macho Power Wagon, and it goes in correspondence with the Walmart Macho Power Wagon set that they released for Christmas in the Christmas ornaments. And this one is also the Macho Power Wagon. Last year, it didn't correspond with one another. Last year's Walmart set were 2 Power Wagon Snow Fighters, and then the Oreillys was a step-side 2-wheel drive. So a little bit different. Now this year, they use the exact same casting, which is kind of cool. But I'm not going to leave this in the box or in the little globe. I want to get it out and take a look at it up close and put it in the display case with all of the other Oreillys exclusives, which I think is only 3 other Dodge trucks, 2 Power Wagons, and then the 2-wheel drive step side. This was limited to 9,600 pieces worldwide. They do not make any chases of these. In fact, I don't think there are any Oreilly chase vehicles as far as I know of. The circle sticker I just cut this time instead of peeling it back. And this kind of flips up just like the other one. Has a PVC plastic topper that goes on and holds onto the hook string area to keep it from rolling around. So you can see how it walks around if it's not in there. And then the bottom is dished, so the bottom of the globe sets in there, which is kind of nice. And I like how they added the snowflakes on one side and the other sides are clear. So now we got it here in hand in the little globe. And usually what happens is, I think it's just glued slightly, as you can hear a kind of cracking noise. Just spin that off and take it off. That's kind of what will hold it together. And sometimes if you just squeeze it, it will pop. But this one doesn't look like it's going to do that so easily. So let me try to get it to open here real quickly before... Sometimes they pop right open and sometimes they don't. And this is one of those times that it's not doing it. Well, we finally got it off there, or out of there. The globe broke a little bit, but I don't really plan on putting it back in there. Sometime in the future, I was thinking about putting some cool cars in the globes and hanging them on a Christmas tree once I get enough of them, but this one broke a little bit, and I think I can fix it, so I'm going to save it. And I've only got, let's see, 6 globes so far, the 2 Oreillys and the 4 Walmart, but I'm hoping to get one more set of the Walmart Power Wagons this year. And these things are on a little base, as you could see, and it slides into the grooves inside the dome. If you haven't seen one of these taken apart yet, that's what holds it in there in the center of the globe. And then everything else is just standard M2 stuff, like these gray braces on the bottom of the truck. You can see here, silver brace, whatever color you want to call it. Sometimes they come in black. They have screws on them that are staggered to go opposite of the drive shaft, and then the ones that are centered go into the mounted base because they can't go straight down because they hit the drive shafts, so they get to stagger it a little bit. And then we can take it off. And one thing I advise people on is with these Oreillys ones and anything with a rubber band, open them up and at least take the rubber bands off, because if you've seen what happened to Hot Wheels before, the 100% stuff, it is pretty bad. It will eat the paint. So I would advise getting rid of the rubber band. That way you don't have any problems with it eating the paint on the truck, because that could happen. And it is a really nice looking truck out of the box. That little tree maybe scratched inside of the bed a little bit, but that's okay. Or maybe it's just the dust from that fake snow on the tree. And anyways, yeah. This is like a truck that's hard to put a tree in the bed because, well, the roll bar's there. And the M2 beds are not that deep. They use the same bed on all of their trucks, the one that's channeled with a really high bed floor for the slam trucks. They use on all of them, so you can't really put anything in the back and make it look realistic in like a diorama type thing. But yeah, this looks really good. It has the band stripe with the Power Wagon written sideways. That's one of the Macho Power Wagon trim options, with the yellow and black going all the way around to the front and to the back. Power Wagon on the tailgate by Dodge, and then you have Oreillys Auto Parts on the roof, and Oreillys on the door. I was thinking about getting a second one and taking the Oreillys off of it, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to leave it on there because the top you can't take off without removing all the black tampo. And as soon as you start doing that, then you're going to be taking off the black on the B pillar, then it goes down the side of the door, the bed. Then you would have to remove it all, so it's not worth it. Or you could remove Oreillys from the door and just leave Oreillys on the top, but I'm just going to leave it all the way around. The only thing I would like to do to this one eventually is get a set of more detailed wheels. I don't know why they put the really nice detailed wheels on the other set from Walmart. The red one has this same color wheel and has holes in it. This one does not. I don't know why they didn't do it to put the nicer wheels on this one too. And then the blue one in the set from Walmart has black wheels, but it's got nicely detailed wheels with the holes in them. And the Power Wagon from last year in the first set of Dodge trucks, the orange one has these wheels on it. That's why I wanted their set of the Walmart one, so I can wheel swap the red one with my orange one, and then I can have the orange one with nice detailed wheels and a red one with nice detailed wheels. And then the blue one has the black wheels, and they're nicely detailed. So maybe what I'll do to this one is find a set of nicely detailed black wheels to put on it, because the only other option is to get another set of the Power Wagons from Walmart, and I can't afford to do all that. So I'm just going to get another set of the Walmart ones so I can base swap the red one with my orange one, and then maybe I'll base swap the blue one with this one, even though it'll be black wheels. I'm sure I can find paint and paint them to detail them a little bit better, get them this color and such. That's another thing, like with the Warlock. I got that one. I haven't done a video on yet, but I opened the set and put it on display, and I ordered another set to leave in the package. So whenever I get that one, I'll do a video on it. But it has the gold wheels, and they're not detailed either. They don't have the holes cut out, or they're not painted black. So I need to either detail the wheels or find another set of wheels to put on it that look a little better. But anyways, still happy to have this truck. Really cool piece to have. Hard to get one. Even though it's like 9,600, it's a little more than the sets from Walmart. I think the set from Walmart is only 6,800 pieces. This is 9,600, but these still seem harder to get. The Oreillys ones always seem to be harder to get for some reason. Yeah, my differential is sliding around there. I think they all do that. Or they're on there. It's not broken. That's good. So, anyways, guys, that's your Oreillys Macho Power Wagon exclusive. So, if you can get one, I highly recommend it. One day I'll show you all my trucks together in a video. I'm waiting for a couple more to come out so I can get them and have all of them. But yeah, guys, that's it. So, have a great rest of your week. I'll be back on Friday for our Free It Friday. So, see you then.